Ukhokho vula njalo omkhulu siyamazi umkhulu wethu isangoma abanye babe ngamboni mase ngisigqokele ezami izasekhaya. Kukho konke esikwenzayo ngiyangithanda ukunikhuthaza abazalwane ukuthi aningakuyeki ukuthandaza, aningakuyeki ukuphahla. Izinto zethu zonke esininikeza zona zincedisa imithandazo yenu. uNkulunkulu ubalulekile, amadlozi wethu abalulekile. Lezi zinto azixabani zihamba ndawonye. Nginikhuthaza kulokho ukuthi ningabakhohlwa asebelele benu ngoba mabephendula bezama ukunibonisa ukuthi nibakhohliwe, babephendule ngezimo ezibhlungu kakhulu. Bakuthi ama bad omens, ama signs amabi, so that you act. I'm encouraging every individual there not to forget praying, not to forget God, not to forget their ancestors. Please abide by the prayers and don't forget to do what you call ukuphahla, whereby you evoke and invoke your spiritual guides to look after you. The medicines and the things that we give you, they help those prayers. But we need to know God. We need to know our ancestors. We need to pray. I thank you.